Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So let's continue from the last common forecast mentioned, right? Summary. Okay, today, what is it? Today is Wednesday, the 12th, right? Okay, we went low. Change hats to bear. Main play is bearish. We totally nailed this counter trend long. Market, the counter trend long gave us a rally high enough to give us another entry. Add to a winner, 58 short, right? 55, 58, right? 56, 57, 58 short. Add to a winner, or establish a new position short, right? Because so the main play is buried, still is until 61 is taken. We all know that. Clean break of 61, we know the price is going to continue to 66, and we'll take it from there. So we are currently in a main play short. We also took a counter trend long. Price goes all the way to our mid entry short. It doesn't invalidate the main play short. We add to a winner, establish a new position short because we want to be short to 33, just like I said half an hour ago, right? As long as this is not taken, and as long as I don't tell you to change hats, right? We know that. Price goes to 58, recoil, nice, right? Cannot take it, resistance, drops, goes all the way to 35, 36, 37. Of course, it's gonna bounce. It's not gonna go to 33 on a single straight line. We know that, but that's our objective. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of this here, and right at 45, it, of course, is still important, but it's not that important anymore, right? Price already took 38, and we want the price to not only go to 35 but 33. 33 is target 2, all right? And we are short from here, and we're short from here. Add to a winner, okay? What happened to the counter trend long? Of course, this drop took the trail, counter trend, it's over. What do you think happened to the counter trend long? It's over. It broke structure. All right, so we're gonna pay attention to this 45, 45, 33. All right, we're gonna pay attention to this 45, 45, 45, 33. All right. Okay. We main play bears 45, 33, 33, 43, 12-point range that shot began. All right, so this 12-point range of this on this current channel, right? I'm expecting lip up and down, right? Taking 45, dancing 45, dancing 33 for a while. Shot began. All right, that's pretty much where we are at right now. All right, but we all know that we are all sure from here, expecting the price to go to 33. Of course, we all know 38 and 35 are conventional, technical analyst chart pattern formations, right? And it's gonna find support, right? But we want to let it ride to 33 depending on your position size. If you want to take advantage of the 38, that's simple. It's right there, right? And right, locking 38, right, 37. Then of course it's okay. But remember, the main play is bearish, so the odds are that it'll continue going down before it goes up. And if it goes up, our job is to find a good support and do the same thing that we did at 9:46 this morning, right? At 9:46, 47, when we knew that the price was going to that the price was going to take right the 45, right, right, which was our target one. Alrighty. All right, so 45 here. Support becomes resistance. Resistance becomes support. We know is the first resistance that we bears. Those of us who are those of us who add to a winner, 55, 58, 45 is the level that we don't want the price to take. If it does take it, then we're out of here. Play golf. 45, 55 is going to be a pain in the butt, depending on the time. And remember, overall market direction is bullish. It doesn't matter if the price never goes up to the moon anymore. We already logged a whole bunch of points, right? Both on our trip down, on our trip up, on our on our next trip down. So we're pretty much done for today. So let's go to phase 7, and we know that as we approach 11:30, then official shop began. Shop began already 20 minutes ago. So, alrighty, okay, okay, ladies and gentlemen, I believe we just hit 33, right? Target two. Alrighty then, target two hit. Let's see what else is in store for us, right? Okay, where is this thing gonna continue going? Right? Let's find out. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 33:30, right? Okay, eh, anywhere around here. It's anywhere around here. Beginning 33 is a is target two. It's a good target two. All right, so we're gonna be playing. We're gonna be playing the 30-45 channel now. Okay, right. Target two, 33. Hit. All right, let's go for target three, number one, and number two. Remember, 30, 33. It's a counter trend loan, just like the one we took a long time ago. All righty, we all know that. Okay. So how do we play this? Like we do every single time. All right. Price goes to 30. Those of you who are paying good attention, right? You took a shot, the bounce. Remember that Prisatico's levels are the ones that we want to take a chance, right? So 30, 33, 30, right? Price goes right back. Okay, so what's the mid range? 31, right? Okay. All right, so where are we up to here? Right, where are we up to here? All right, price, right? So price goes to 34.75. We're gonna call it 35, and 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 we are expecting some sort of a good enough bounce still, because remember, the future intention of the trend, at least all the way until 11:30, it's bullish. Oh my God, bullish! But look at this. In the meantime, we're making tons of points, aren't we? And because we know the future intention of this environment, then we have confidence in taking a counter trend long right here, 30, 31, right? Okay, 32 if you want. Okay. Only at Prisatico's level. All right. So, okay. All right. So, a clean break of 30, then the price is going to continue to target 3. All right. Let's go find out the bears where they want to take the price today. Target 3, right? So, okay, so, okay, alrighty then. So we got out here, target 1, target 2, 33, that I've been telling you about. Another counter trend. As long as there's no clean break of 30, we hold clean break of 30, get the hell out of that counter trend long, and we continue on the main play that we're currently on. Sure, breakout 55, add to a winner 55, 58, with target 2 already accomplished, right? And then right here, of course, you know, we're gonna play the counter. Those of you who don't counter trend, forget about it. Don't be long at all whatsoever. Just let it ride to target 3 and just sit tight, trail it, and wait for me to tell you where target 3 is. Just like I told you, 33, target 2, when the price was here at 55, 56, 57. Let me go look for target 3. Remember? And that's why we have multiple positions, so that we can let it ride. Let me see what target 3 is. So target 3, whatever it is, it's going, target 3, our current short position, that we are now letting it ride to target 3, which I don't have it yet, right? It's going to be by way of, okay, so great, taking 30, we want the price to take, it's going to be by way of right here, okay? That's easy, okay? 28, okay? Right here, 28, okay? So it's going to be a fight right here, 28, okay? That's conventional technical analysis. 28, right? So we are in a 45 28 channel right now. Okay. Alrighty. 28. Clean break of 28. We are comfortable that the price is going to continue going down, but we still need to know where it's going. Okay. We still need to know where it's going to go. Alrighty. And wherever it's going to go, I can tell you. Okay. So give me alrighty then. So we have a temporary. Okay, here it is. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what is this? Bada bing, bada boom. Here it is. Okay. Alrighty then. It's 28. It's gonna be looking to go all the way to 15, my friends. Alright, so 15. Alright. It's a temporary. It's a temporary third target. Temporary. Okay. So we're gonna have 15 in our. We're gonna have 15 in our aim as a clean break of 28. I'm expecting 28, 15. This is target 3. And we all know that the market is dynamic. It changes all the time. Everything is changing all the time. That's why we change hats. We're bull, we're bear. Overall market direction, counter trend, now no longer. Back to the main play. You know the drill, right? So 15 is a temporary target 3. That means that I can bring it up or I can bring it down. But we're gonna have 15 for now as a we're gonna have 15 now as a reference, as of remember, in the meantime we're trailing. All right, so I'm expecting a break of 28. It's not gonna be easy, of course. Boom, beautiful break. Oh my god, I told you I'm expecting a break of 28 when the price was 30, and what, 5 seconds later it did, and we are gonna let it ride all the way to 15 temporary. We're not gonna be hasty at getting all out at 15. It's too early. All right, no need to. All right, we're gonna ride it as long as it's going our way. Why are you gonna get out? Let it ride, okay? Until I tell you, get out. Don't do it anymore. Change hat, new resistance. You just have to wait for me to tell you. If I don't tell you that there is a change in rotation and change in sentiment, let it ride. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Right, so nice break of 28. And we're going to let it ride all the way to 15, right? That's target temporary, target 3. Let it ride. So this bounce off of 21, um, it's okay. This bounce of 21 is looking to go to 37. That's amazing. Oh my God, 37. Yeah, that's right. Oh my God, that's a lot. Yeah, it's true. That's why we counter trend. All right. It's just that 21 was not a Presatico strong enough support, and that's why we didn't counter trend long right here. This 21, right? Our support is 15, so we're not gonna counter trend long in this massive, beautiful downtrend that we are taking full advantage of by being short all the way since the mid range and the breakout, expecting the price to continue to 15, right? Look at that. Think about it, right? 55 minus 15. We're looking for a 40 point profit trade here on the third, right? But but we counter trend long on our strong levels of support because it's just common sense, right? If it's a target, then it's support. And if it's support, what are you supposed to do at support? Buy it. Buy support, sell resistance. You just need to know when that support is going to be strong enough that is worth taking or not. This 21 right here is not a Presatico level. So we're not taking advantage of this nice bounce. Look at this from 21 all the way to 28, 29. And the Bulls, they're totally looking to take it all the way to 37, just so that you know. All right? So why is this so important that we know? Well, right? So why is this so important that we know? Well, what do you think, right? We have we have two more units bearish, right? That we're gonna let it ride target 3 to 15, and of course we have the last target, the one where we are completely out, and I don't have that one yet. So we're bearish. We're holding a couple of units down, and we think that this bounce is going to go all the way to 30, 36. All right, I'm gonna bring it down 1 point. So we think this is going all the way to 36. So we need to be aware because bears, they don't want the price to go all the way to 36, right? The smart money needs to shake them out. And they know that if they take it all the way to 36, they're going to take most of their stops. Stop fishing. And that's why we counter trend, so that we can take advantage of the rally. Look at that. From 21 to 36, that's 15 points. It's just that this 21 right here, like I said, is not a prosthetical level, so we didn't take advantage of this beautiful bounce counter trend, and we just have to continue managing our current position short. Okay, so that's 35, ladies and gentlemen, and the trip. So we are in a tight to counter bullish uptrend, right? So tight to look at it, right? That we knew the bounce off of 51, which were not long counter trend because 51 came just out of nowhere. It's not at prosodical level, so we didn't take it. We didn't take advantage of the bounce. However, we did know when the price broke 28, just like I told you, it's going to continue going up all the way to 36. Of course, it's a very aggressive long, right? Those of you who took when I told you, hey, listen, this is a this is a rally that will continue going all the way to 36, right? Price right now 28, right? When I told you this 28 break of 28, price is gonna break 28, and it's continue to 36. Then you can counter trend, but you're getting in 28, 29, right? That's a little bit too, look at that. The low is 21. Let's say that you took that when I told you price is going to continue going to 36. That's direction. Price right now, if the price right now is 28, right? When I told you. And I said, hey, listen, this is going to continue going all the way to 36, right? That's 8 points. You can scalp that long 28. But you need to know that we here at Capital Trade Center, we like to to enter whether it's a main play counter trend, we want to enter at the beginning. That's why we counter trend. Those counter trends are pretty much razor sharp entries, right? And in this case, because we didn't go long 21, but we knew at 28 that the price was going to continue going to 36, right? That's 8 points. You can take a shot there, extremely low position size, the micros, and ride it all the way to. We know it's going to 36, but you know it's ultra aggressive because what's the stop? Oh my God, all the way back to 21, right? 21, 22, 23, somewhere around there, 25. So it would be an aggressive entry long when I told you that we knew price was gonna go up 6 more points. But what do we say here about direction? Direction is king. If you know where the price is going, then it's gonna be a lot more. You're gonna have a lot more room to manage your position if you know where the price is going, right? Alrighty then. Let's see if it goes to 36. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I believe this is 35.75. One tick to our 36 impulse that the price we all knew the odds were when it broke this 28. We knew that it was strong enough and it had enough gunpowder to take it to 26. Well, I missed it by one tick. It went to 35.75. All right. You need to know all of this when you're trading because it's the only way that you're not going to be shaken out by this smart money. And ladies and gentlemen, those of you paying attention, have I changed hats in terms of the overall market direction that I've been telling you is slightly bullish since the beginning, right? When the price was right there at 60, I told you, hey, listen, these people, they want to take it up. All right? That's the future intention of the trend. Now, what does smart money do? Well, they're going to make sure that they're going to destroy all of those bulls that think that the future is going to be bullish. They need to destroy them. They need to take all the stops of all the weak, of all the retail teenagers on YouTube. They need to take it. And that's why they brought it down so far all the way to 21. So what do we do in the meantime? We take advantage of the squeeze. If we're right, this thing might never go past 36 ever again and go anywhere. It doesn't matter. You know how much we've made already because of the main play short that we've been taking and all the counter trends, right? We just happen to think that later on, smart money is gonna be looking to take it back up. All right, where to? Well, where to, right? Well, 45. What do you think? 45, and then there's gonna be 30, 45, 15 points of the chop, and then break of 45. We'll take it back to 55, and then God knows what it's gonna do next. We're gonna be already playing golf, right? 11:30 is when we don't take any new positions, right? What time it is right now? 11:35, right? Because remember, we want to make in 2 hours what most people make in 2 weeks, right? And we know that beginning 11:30, official shop begins. So we're just gonna continue managing what we already have. What do we have? Well, you know exactly what we have, right? We have a short position that started right there at 55.58 that we are expecting the price to continue to 15, right? Target 3 and last target. And those of you who took a shot here at 28 when I told you it's going to 36, there's no reason at all whatsoever for you to get out, right? Why are you going to get out, right? 21 is support. 28 was our aggressive entry long, and as long as it continue going up, you just let it ride the counter trend, small position. And why do you have confidence that why do you have confidence that this tight tube bullish tight tube uptrend is going to continue? Because, right, because I told you, right, at the beginning of the action today, that the overall market direction, the future intention of the trend is bullish, and it still is. So don't be surprised that 21 is the low of day, and the price is gonna go and retrace all the way, back to 45, 55, 78. Do not be surprised. Those of you who are gonna continue trading the entire day, just watch it. Just watch the magic. In the meantime, you are managing your short, you're managing your counter trend long, and then the price is gonna take you out. You know that 21 is an okay support. It's not a swing low. It's a pivot low, and that you know that a clean break of 21, price is gonna go to 15. You know that there's nothing stopping the price from breaking 21 and continue to 15. You know all of that. If you're gonna continue trading, that's what you have to pay attention to. Time right now, 11:30, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm pretty sure that it's just a matter of let the market continue doing its thing. And that being said, I am going to take a break. And if I don't come back, remember, hopefully you had some fun today. You learned something new also. And the most important, if it's not live, it's just not real.